Alexi. How are
Hi,
you?
Chiara. Very
Nice
good,
to
and
see
yourself?
you. So thank you for coming to the Nespresso for Chiara Ferragni Cafe. Do you like it so far?
Yes, pretty nice. You are ambassadors for the female behavior, for medical empowerment, for the family.
Thank you.
And then also for this disruptive innovation. And you know, this kind of belief we share with you in Nespresso.
I'm such a big fan of Nespresso. I've always dreamt of doing something with Nespresso, and like now it's finally real.
And it's great,
So-
really great.
I think it was really nice working with Nespresso because, of course, I'm such a big coffee lover. I've drank Nespresso my whole life.
Italian? Italian.
Yeah, very Italian of me, obviously. This collaboration really celebrates our mutual love for coffee and style. We really chose one color that was pink, and then we customized like all of this. So we used my, of course, iconic eye logo, and we also created a pattern with an Nespresso logo as well.
It's quite aesthetic and goes with your image.
Yes, I also created something else. I created my own coffee recipe. So
Wow.
do you want
Of
me to
course,
show
I will.
you?
It will be a
I'll
pleasure
show
to
you.
taste. Chiara, you have imagined your iced coffee recipe looks nice, fresh, and tasty.
Thank you so much. I really wanted the pink to be the main character of the drink. And of course we added ice as well because it's summertime and it's like super hot. So now we start with the first step. We need the pink sugar, and then we need the coconut milk.
Coconut milk.
And we add 1 spoon of the pink sugar, and then we mix it together. I love that it's a dairy-free drink.
Excellent.
So as a second step, we take the shaker. We take one of the ice cubes,
Okay.
put it inside, and then we make coffee. We're using Altisio, and we're using the new Verto machine that is my favorite.
This is also a coffee that we made that is going perfectly with the iced coffee, but also on black. Altis is a coffee that we made based on coffee from Arabica from South America. We use a touch of Robusta from Central America, and the principal is Costa Rica.
So after I put the coffee in the shaker with the ice, I shake it. Does the coffee flavor changes when you mix it with ice?
Yes, of course. Then this is why we make special recipes for iced coffee. We mix the hot and the cold, then we start to release flavor different to the one with the coffee hot.
Awesome. So now it's time to put all the ingredients together. So we start with some ice cubes. And then I had my favorite, the pink coconut milk. I love the color, it's so pink.
And also the coconut and the is trendy.
Yes. And now we add coffee. Will you help me? Perfect.
Yes. Beautiful. I
Yay.
start to create on the layers.
Final touch, we add some marshmallow,
Wow.
which is a nice alternative, easier alternative to the candy floss.
Wow.
What do you think?
Pretty nice.
Want to take a photo of it? Can we take a selfie together? I love my recipe, it's so good.
It's so nice.
Now it's your turn, guys. Show me how you recreate my signature coffee recipe. I cannot wait to see all of your creation.